Hello, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we're going to take a look at the all-new 2022 Cruisers 54 Cantius. The boat just arrived, she's ready for immediate delivery, and she has some awesome features. First, you'll notice we got a hydraulic platform here. See your chocks here for a dinghy or jet ski. You have steps that slide out as the platform goes down, so you can step down into the water. Great storage, electronic storage. You hit a button, this lifts up. You put all your fenders, lines, everything aft here underneath this seat. Moving up into the cockpit, you'll notice you have a Volvo control station on the port side with joystick control. This boat is equipped with the IPS D11 950 Volvos. Optional bar stools here. You notice how this drops down and opens up and you have one space with the accordion door. You also have a sure shade that comes out of the hardtop here to give you full shade back here in the cockpit. Really nice high gloss table here. You also have an ice maker built in on the port side and a grill built in here as well above it. Moving inside the 54 Cantius, you'll notice here on the starboard side you have a dishwasher and a fridge pull-out drawer here. Stereo controls, Dometic air conditioning controls here. Great storage cabinets above. Look at these beautiful white countertops here as well. On the port side, you'll notice you also have refrigerated drawers here, a convection oven, 2-burner cooktop Kenyan grill, the nice Kohler faucet with carbon fiber accents. On the starboard side, you have a nice sofa here. Your TV actually pops up out of the back side here in a nice large smart Samsung TV. Moving towards the port side, you'll notice you have a great sea-safe sofa with a high gloss table that opens up for dining. Obviously on the starboard side we have your double helm seat here. It does have a drop down for vertically challenged people. Joystick control, 2 large Garmin screens, and you can control everything from the boat here. Also you have a Seakeeper built in here, Rockford Fosgate stereo, and now we'll take a look downstairs. So down below in the 54 Cantius, you'll notice we've got a high gloss ebony wood that is absolutely incredible. A lot of natural light from the windshield comes down in this area. On the port side, you've got a lot of counter space here. Wine, fridge, and storage. This is a 3-stateroom boat, and now we're going to take a look at the master stateroom. The master stateroom on this boat is full beam, and it is incredible. You'll notice you have a nice settee here, large windows let a lot of natural light in, raised elevated bed. They do some nice accent panels and mirrors behind the bed. And then you have a bank of dressers over on the port side. And you'll notice the Samsung Smart TV is right in front of the bed where it should be. The master head on this boat is incredible. You see you got a lot of room, nice vanity, sink, and then a separate shower, which I'm 6'4" and have plenty of headroom with a rain shower. The VIP Ford is a great size stateroom. You'll see it has the high gloss ebony wood in here. Big windows to let a lot of natural light in. Private access to the head on the port side. The third stateroom is a really nice bunk room. Again, it has some natural light with some windows there, TV as well, and a nice storage closet. Your main distribution panel is located here. Let's take a look at the forward area on the 54 Cantius. It has a lot of room up here. First thing you'll notice is the seating room and lounge room up here. This boat is also equipped with a sunshade for the bow area. So if you didn't want to get a lot of sun up here, you can shade this entire area. This has been the 54 Cantius 2022 at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. This is one of the few boats in inventory that's available for immediate delivery. If you'd like to see this boat in person, my name is Scott Douglas, and I can be reached at 910-256-8100.